Right away, let's take a look at the pandemic update from Italy. As of the second week of April 2020, Italy reports more than 107,000 cases positive with COVID-19. Death roll is declining, but still fatality rate is more than 23,000. 44,000 COVID-19 patients are approaching to their complete recovery. Changes and dangers are still remaining the same. During this pandemic time, nursing homes and the elderly citizens has the worst hit. There are so many cases untested and unreported in self-isolation. Government authorities are struggling to make a right decision to opening back the businesses and the schools. Police patrolling continues and medical staff contributes their best during this pandemic time. Even though the epicenter is in northern Italy, the entire Italy is in quarantine for about 40 days, dreaming for a better tomorrow. That's all for now. We'll keep you updated. Thank you.